Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so what have I been doing in the last hour? I've been cleaning up some of the areas where I was putting my stamps back and moving my Stampin' Up! Stamps. So after I did that, I reorganized the area where they were originally, and I will show you all in the final video when I do like a craft room tour or whatever. But it was, I went through and tossed some things, but it was just stuff that, like craft ideas and things like that, and some of my patterns, that I had no idea what they went with, that I had just written down. So anyway, I went through all that, got rid of it, and then I started pulling all of this. This is not, this isn't all of my embellishments, and all of it isn't embellishment. Some of it's miscellaneous stuff, but this isn't like my bling. It isn't my flowers. There's just like this here. This is where I was doing making. Oh, here, sorry. This is where I was making journals. So unfinished project. Need to finish that up. I found more of those than what I realized just so far in here. I'm going to show you something. Hang on just a second. Whoops. Talking about unfinished projects. All that right there, this is what's driving me batty. And I have to do something with it. This is stuff from my wedding that I saved to make mini albums out of, and some of that is where I was painting pumpkins and redoing them last fall, and I have nowhere to put this. So yeah, I even when I clean, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's a project that has to get done and get out of here to where it stops stressing me out. But anyway, I have my Pepsi and took some B12 because I need the energy for this. So I have this big bin that's just, it's full of all different types of embellishments. This is just a little miscellaneous box, and what I may have to do is do the embellishments like this first, and then do miscellaneous boxes like this next. Go through those. Yeah, these are just birds and butterflies. Doubted if I'll be getting rid of any of those because I love them. These are Project Life cards. I don't even do Project Life. Why did I buy them? Because of that right there. 99 cents. That's why I bought them. It's crazy. I don't know. I have no idea what to do with them. So, what else? This is another miscellaneous box. These are some handmade embellishments that I've made, and Lord knows what else down in here. I'll do. I think I'll do that. Just the miscellaneous ones separately. That way, it won't be too bad. This box right here is full of embellishments like this. So yeah, that's this is where I'm at. I was going to take it to my dining room table, but I really don't want this mess in my dining room because it's stressing me just looking at it here. And the good thing is I can just close the door if I get too stressed out and anxiety is too bad. I can walk away and shut the door and won't have it out on my dining room table to look at every time that I pass by it. But I am pressing on and going to get it done. So I'll see you all when I'm finished. Bye.